Yep, so king moves up. He decides he wants to do a pawn promotion. I take, and he just keeps going. I don't really care because I know I can defend it. Okay, now knight check is potentially devastating. He's attacking this pawn, also threatening the knight coming here. I was thinking that if the king comes here, which is potential, the knight could come here, attacking this bishop and pawn at the same time. The rook is now attacking this pawn, and the king is not defending. Um, so I don't really like my king moving away from defending this pawn, so I moved it here. Now the knight obviously goes here. I just go for a pawn push. He can't he can't stop me really. I think if knight takes bishop, I just push the pawn without even taking the knight. Because what can he do? He can't stop the pawn push. Even if he comes back, he won't be in time because I would have already moved here and then I just queen. So that didn't work out well. He pushes the pawn. I just go in and defend just to protect against um, perhaps the rook coming here and this pawn push. Now I have two defenders for this square. Now the rook is attacking my bishop, and at this point in time, I don't care. He can have the bishop because when I push this pawn here, if he takes the bishop, I queen. Um, so if knight takes, then I'll just get a free knight, and that's exactly what happened. Now he's going for another queen. Well, I'll go for a queen as well. So, and keep in mind, he can't fork me. He can't check and take the pawn because my bishop is covering this line. So he just comes here attacking my bishop. And honestly, I don't care because following this, I just push my pawn. And then if the rook takes the bishop, well, I just queen. So he comes in for a check. I come here. And at this point, I think he resigns because, well, there's nothing he can do to prevent me from queening. I mean, he can queen, but then obviously I'll take with the rook. Obviously, it's not a good idea to take the bishop because then the rook comes here and prevents the pawn push. Um, so yeah, at this point he resigned. This was an interesting endgame, and it shows how your pawns become more valuable towards the end. Hope this was useful to you guys.